Discover the Ninja Luxe Café Premier Series Espresso Machine and Drip Coffee Maker, your ultimate barista companion, expertly crafted by Ninja. This 3-in-1 powerhouse effortlessly delivers espresso, well-balanced drip coffee, and rapid cold brew, catering to every caffeine craving. With Barista Assist Technology, tailored grind size recommendations, weight-based dosing, and active adjustments for temperature and pressure ensure cafe-quality brews, all without the guesswork. The integrated conical burr grinder offers 25 settings for a fresh, precise grind, catering to versatile drink options for every type of bean. Our hands-free frothing system simplifies milk preparation, combining steaming and whisking at once, while delivering perfectly textured microfoam. Whether you opt for dairy or plant-based milk, creating hot or cold microfoam is as easy as a button press, thanks to 4 preset programs. The Ninja ES601 is designed for perfection, ensuring perfect pucks through its assisted tamper that evenly distributes and compacts the grounds, promoting ideal water distribution for high-quality shots. Enjoy effortless cold-pressed drinks, such as flavorful espresso martinis, thanks to Ninja's slow brewing process that extracts a more smooth and flavorful brew at lower temperatures and pressure. With built-in storage for the tamper, funnel, brew baskets, brush, and cleaning disc, convenience is at your fingertips. Included in the package are all essential components, from a portafilter to a milk jug, double basket, luxe basket, assisted tamper, cleaning brush, cleaning disc, funnel, descaling powder, cleaning tablets, hard water testing kit, instructions, and inspiration guide. The Ninja ES601 is fully automatic, dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, and features an auto shutoff for added safety. Embrace the revolution in home coffee making and elevate your daily brew routine with the Ninja Luxe Café Premier Series Espresso Machine and Drip Coffee Maker. Indulge in cafe-quality drinks at the touch of a button, all within the comfort of your own home.